XOI was new to me and it didn't take long to learn it at all. It was really helpful with the database, and I was able to go back and look at previous jobs, and it was right there at hand, and it was always available right there on my phone.
And that's technology and data that we'll be able to have forever. As soon as we were able to start sharing pictures and videos through XOI with our customers, the feedback from our customers was great, which tells us that's what they're looking for.
I am the eyes and the ears of the customer, and I try to give them information, and they see what they're paying for in pictures. And they can read a report, or they can just look at the pictures and see the befores and the afters, and then the improvements that have been made after we have left the site.
XOI plays a huge role in my maintenances especially. We take plenty of pictures and videos that go back to the customer. We take videos of the panel, all the voltages checked, everything, so it really plays a big part in helping the customer see what we do.
It makes them feel taken care of because they're right there with us with XOI.